you got me stuck with thinking about you. Try to move on, but I'm so caught up, I just can't let go. I just can't let go. When I say I love you, girl, I mean it. Didn't wanna break your heart, baby, believe me, 'cause I can't let go. Oh, no, I can't let you go.
And I don't wanna be solo or write another sad love song about you. Rather be holding you close, kissing and hugging you slow.
You're the one that I want by my side. You're the one that stay all on my mind.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
So give me your
SOS. Baby, I must confess, I miss that XOX. Give me your XOX. Call it that SOS. Baby, I must confess, I miss that XOX. You got me right here thinking about you. Remember when we both said we were all good? Made up in my mind, can't no other girl do. Oh, how I miss you. I want you bad like my birthday. In the worst way. Fell in love on the first day. Baby, you belong with me, yeah.
I don't wanna be solo or write another sad love song about you. Rather be holding you close, kissing and hugging you slow.
You're the one that I want by my side. You're the one that stay all on my.
What's good, Chocolate Squad? It's your girl Shayla coming at you with another video. And today I am with
Hayden.
And we are trying Mexican snacks. So we got 4 different things. We got these sugar wafers. Y'all see, I don't know how to say that.
R-O?
Something. I don't know. And we got Maurice. We got those.
Cookie.
And we got, and these are roasted little chicken. So let's get into the video. What? The video. Oh. Okay, let's do this. What was done first?
You want to try those again?
I'm scared, bro. These not gonna be that good. It's probably like regular wafers.
You mean might not be that bad?
Yeah, that bad. I mean, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take a piece.
If they good, I can have them.
No, I don't like
I like vanilla wafers.
I even like vanilla wafers.
It tastes just like regular vanilla wafers. How you do more than me?
I don't like wafers, so I wouldn't like it anyway.
Yeah, it tastes just like the regular ones.
I don't like them.
Kind of good.
I don't like wafers. They ain't good to me.
It's nasty. You don't like it?
It's kind of nasty.
It's kind of nasty. Like, sit it right here if you don't want it. Well, eat it. You can finish eating it if I'm going to give you.
Yeah, I don't want it. Let's try. What we trying next? These? Okay. We're going too fast. Let's try a little slow.
I'm going to pick it. Stop. If you're not going to eat it, leave it alone.
They come like this. They come like that. And then the back of it is just like that. And they got like dots or something in it. Like strawberry dots or something.
Somebody in my cafe got me for lunch. They had these for lunch? Just yet? Yeah.
Ugh. I don't like the smell.
Oh, yeah, marshmallows on it.
Yeah, it's some marshmallow. You can tell. Right. But no, you took. Wait, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My bad. It's the brown.
Okay, so we back. But we're gonna scale it. We didn't never say what we rate. This right here. Alright, a 2.
Okay, what you rate was the one that you was eating, Case?
This. What you rate this?
I'll do that.
A 1. A 3.
Hurry up and say
A
it.
1.
Okay.
2 of mine.
Okay, I rate mine a 3 because this part is disgusting. And then this, I give this a 9.
I give this an 8. It would have been better, but I don't like wafers. So
I get this 7.
Okay.
No, 8.
All right.
the marshmallow not bad.
It's the part. The marshmallow don't taste bad.
So this is what I tell my mom about this.
It's still nasty. I'll take
It's
that
not
back.
as
To take this out.
Look like some porcupine.
I'm good.
Sit down. Where are you going? No, don't go in there yet. Bring there.
Until we're done.
Please.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Lucky.
Oh. I go get my water.
I thought.
Hey, what's wrong with doing that?
Mama, we ain't sure shit about this. These two stuff is good. It's not. Lucky. These better be 800. These are 200.
I love you too. Go back in there. Alright, love you too. Go back. Close the door. Close the door.
When we done? Get out.
Here.
Mother,
Alright, see you later.
Here, take this too.
take them.
Now, y'all can see if y'all like them.
I can see it like this.
Right, close the door.
Close the door. You ain't the body eat them. Okay?
Let's count. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
It's plain. Like it tastes like a crack.
It tastes like a.
Something like an animal.
It tastes like an animal cracker.
Tastes like an animal cracker.
I give it a 9.
I gave this a
It's not bad. It's just dry.
No.
Come on, stop playing.
I gave this a.
Yeah, I give it a 9. It's not bad.
I give this a.
Well, I'll give this an 8. Oh, come on.
Like, I don't think so.
I give this a 11.
Yeah, I wouldn't personally go buy these for myself.
11.
It's trying to.
Oh,
I'm not worried for this one at all. Little chicken. I'm not worried.
that's what I for that.
First is still nasty. Well, if it's nasty, let's just try it.
It's good.
Good, he got some chips. He put it back.
That's what I'm saying. We could have got them
He
chips.
took them chips back. I didn't even tell him he took them.
You told us.
At first I did, but he took them chips. Wow, it's like, oh, it's a whole chicken. Show them it's a baby chicken.
It don't smell like nothing. You can't smell anything. Can you smell it?
It might be atrocious when you eat it.
Alright, ready, set, go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm trying to see, like, what is the...
Wait.
You kind of got to spice a little. It's really not that bad. It tastes weird, though, but...
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, nasty
Nah,
taste. I
you
don't
see
know
why I'm
what,
finna
but
do
it
that.
ain't for me.
No, I'll give you the $2 for this. That's what I'm gonna say for that.
Yes, can get a 5.
This could give bad mama.
All right, say it.
1. What do you get, Shayla?
4.2.
Okay, here you go. These can go in that bag. Give me that bag.
Lucky. The goodest thing of them. That's the good thing.
Yeah, the goodest thing was them.
I can keep these.
These are good.
These are good. I'll keep
You can eat these. And I don't, them wafers not nasty.
wafers.
But,
I'll keep these for myself.
This-
I want these.
This right
I'm
here,
not gonna eat that shit.
this can leave. Cause I don't even gonna eat it.
Just put that in her.
I can go on
Them
the
the ones
marshmallow.
that slide over, I don't know what you doing.
No, we keep those.
I'll keep
Put
it
that
on
back in
the
there. You're not gonna eat that. Put it back in that box.
I'm gonna eat a marshmallow.
No, you ain't gonna eat none of that. You can get this or something.
Okay, but anyways, thank you for watching this video. I love you guys so much. The next video is gonna be a cooking video. So cooking with Shayla part 3, and that will be dropping today as well. So I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. It's your girl Shayla signing off.
Off and Honey. Peace.
Peace. See you guys later.
Peace. See the chocolate.
See you later. Peace.
See the tacos.
Comment, like, share, and subscribe.
No.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay, so I thought I was gonna end off my video, but I'm gonna add to it. So I'm gonna have these guys try those. Yes, hold them up, boo-boos. They're gonna try these right here, and they're gonna try the wafers. Oh, Bonnie, be careful.
Please don't do it to my cookie. Go again.
Those, these.
Yay!
I put it down, y'all. Now it's time to try. It's time to try.
Yeah, that's dry.
Which I want to try first.
This.
Okay,
Let's try
let's open this.
Let's try this. Let's try
Open.
this. Let's
Oh,
open it.
snaps. Let's throw this away. No, we don't have to open them all. It's the same kind. Just this one. It's the same kind. Here. It's the same kind. Sherry, no. Here. Try. I'm gonna count to 2, and you're gonna try 1, 2. Eat. You eat the cracker too. Eat the cracker. Eat the cracker. Bite the cracker.
It's good.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
They like it. Okay, so y'all like it?
Mhm. I'm gonna drive them out.
Did you bite the cracker, Aaron? Bite the cracker. You like it? All right, give me that. Sit it over here so we can try the other stuff. All right, nope, we this same thing. We're gonna try the wafers.
Open it out. I got this.
Hold on. Wait, let me go grab y'all bag real quick. Just sit here and talk to the chocolate squad. I'm gonna grab your bag.
I want to do. What the heck?
Here, spit. Get out.
Huh?
You good. Okay. Time for the wafers. So taste. 1, 2. Eat, Era. Eat. Eat another piece. No. Eat another piece. I see you eat. Eat.
Good.
Chew it. Alright, that's enough. Let's try it. So see you later, Chocolate Squad. It's your girl Shayla signing off. See you guys in my next video. I want you to subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notifications so you can see every time that I post a video. I want you guys to be ready for my Cooking with Shayla part 4. I want you guys to like, share, tell everyone to subscribe to the channel. I'm having fun. I love you guys. Have a nice day. Live life as much as you can as possible. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. And I want you to comment on what videos you want me to do next. Thank you for watching. As always, peace. See you in my next video.
That's good.
Peace.
you got me stuck with thinking about you. Try to move on, but I'm so caught up, I just can't let go. I just can't let go. When I say I love you, girl, I mean it. Didn't wanna break your heart, baby, believe me, 'cause I can't let go. Oh, no, I can't let you go.
And I don't wanna be solo or write another sad love song about you. Rather be holding you close, kissing and hugging you slow.
You're the one that I want by my side. You're the one that stay all on my mind.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
So give me your
XOXOX. Baby, I must confess, I miss that XOX. Give me your XOX. Calling that SOS. Baby, I must confess, I miss that XOX. You got me right here thinking about you. Remember when we both said we were all good? Made up in my mind, can't no other girl do. Oh, how I miss you. I want you bad like my birthday, in the worst way. Fell in love on the first day. Baby, you belong with me, yeah.
I don't wanna be solo or write another sad love song about you. Rather be holding you close, kissing and hugging you slow.
You're the one that I want by my side. You're the one that stay all on my